Hello everyone, I'm Frank and welcome to Learn How to Sudoku, where we take a very easy variant Sudoku puzzle and we break it down in detail so that you can learn how to Sudoku. Today's very easy puzzle is called Captain Black Arrow by Lithium Ion. And here are the rules. We have normal Sudoku rules apply, which means digits in every cell in the grid, place a single digit such that every row, column, and designated 9-cell region contains the digits 1 through 9 exactly once each. We have digits along an arrow summed to the digit in the attached circle. So, for example, if this were, say, 3 and 5 here, this would have to be 8 because the digits along the arrow must sum up to the digit in the attached circle. And 3 and 5 add up to 8. We also have black dots separate digits that are in a 1:2 ratio, and not all black dots are given. So, for example, if this were, say, a 2, this would have to be 1 or 4 here to maintain a 1:2 ratio between them because there's a black dot between them. And those are all the rules. If you'd like to play along, there's going to be a link in the description. And now, I'm going to get started. Let's learn how to Sudoku. Okay, this digit has to be, it's in a 1:2 ratio with 2 other unique digits, which means it has to be either 2 or 4, because 2 is in a 1:2 ratio with 1 and 4, and 4 is in a 1:2 ratio with 2 and 8. And either way, we are guaranteed in this column, the 2 or the 4 has to be next to one of these black crop key dots, right? Because again, if you have 2 there, it's surrounded by 1 and 4, and it actually cannot be that. So say if we had 2 here, this is 1, 4. The problem is the minimum these digits can be then are 3, 5, and 6. And you add those all together because they are on an arrow, and that adds up to, at minimum, 14, which is not a single digit. So this cannot be 2 here with 1 and 4 here. It has to be 4 with 2 or 8 here. And that leaves the remaining digits in this column. The minimum here is 1, 3, and 5, and that adds up to the maximum a digit can be, which is 9. So this must be 1, 3, 5 here, adding up to 9. Remaining digits in column 1 then have to be 6, 7, and 9. And 5, specifically, 5, 7, and 9 can never be next to a black crop key dot. Because if it were next to a black crop key dot, well, figure out, sorry. If you have 5, 7, and 9, and you have them, you get 2.5, 3.5, 4.5. If you double them, you get 10, 14, or 18, none of which are digits. That's why 5, 7, and 9 cannot be next to a black crop key dot. So the only remaining digit out of the digits remaining we have available in column 1 has to be next to a black crop key dot is 6. And 6 is in a 1:2 ratio with 3 then. That leaves the remaining digits in column 1 as 7 and 9. These have to be in a 1:2 ratio without 3 and without 1. So it's guaranteed to be 4 with 2 or 4 with 8. So we'll have a guaranteed 4 here, and that's with 2 or 8 here. Okay. That means these digits, again, cannot contain 2 or 4, and they must add up to a single digit. So the only possibility here is 1, 3, and 5. So this can't be 3 because of 3 in the column, therefore 1, 3, and 5 add up to 9. That means these digits remaining in this lower left-hand box have to be 6 and 7. Remaining digits here this can't be 9 here. So this has to be, if you ever have 3 digits adding up to another digit, it can only be 6 at minimum and then 9 at most. But since this can't be 9 and this can't be 9, this has to be 6, 7, or 8, and this is 6, 7, or 8. 9 can never be on the arrow portion of an arrow if it's adding up with another digit to add up to a single digit. So 9 can't be here because of 9 in the row. 9 can't be here because they add up with another digit at least to add up to a single digit. So 9 is guaranteed to be one of these two cells in the central box. Okay. So this adds up to 6, 7, or 8. So we have a guaranteed 1 on this arrow. Because if 1 is not on this arrow, you're never going to be able to add up to 6, 7, or 8. We required 1 for 1, 2, and 3, adding up to 6. 1, 2, and 4 adds up to 7. 1, 2, 5 adds up to 8, and 1, 3, 4 is the other combination that adds up to 8. So it's the same with this one. We have a guaranteed 1 here. We have a guaranteed 1 here. And these digits can only be from 1 through 5. But another thing that we know about this combination of digits here, these 5 digits must add up to the same sum that these 2 digits add up to. Well, 5 digits at a minimum adds up to is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, which adds up to 15 at minimum. 2 digits without a 9 in them add up to at most 7 and 8, which adds up to 15, which is a maximum 2 digits without a 9 can add up to. So this must then be adding up to 15, and this must be a 7-8 pair. This must contain all the digits from 1 through 5, which leaves the remaining digits in this box as a 6-9 pair. Okay. Let's see, what else do we have? 9 cannot be next to a black crop key dot. If we try to have this adding up to 6, the problem with that is we'd have eliminate 1, 2, and 3 from the crop key pair in the box. And this can't have a 4 because of 4 in the row. So 1, 2, 3, and 4 are eliminated as possibilities next to the black crop key dot, but then no other pair of digits without 1 through 4 can be in a 1-to-2 ratio with each other. So that's not going to work. So this cannot be 6, which means this is 7 and 8 as a pair. That eliminates 7, 8 in the rest of the column. So this can't contain 8. This has to be 6 or 9 here to add up to with 3 other digits. This is 3 other digits and cannot be 6 because of 6 in the row. So it's 7, 8, and 9 there. This is the sum of 2 digits. And we don't have 6 or 9 available. Okay. This cannot be a 3-6 pair because 3 and 6 eliminate all possibilities for this being 3 or 6, and 3 and 6 can only be in a 1-to-2 ratio with 3 or 6. And we can't have 8 here, so this is guaranteed to have a 2 here to be in a 1-to-2 ratio with either 1 or 4 here. So we're guaranteed this is a 2 that eliminates 2 in the rest of the column. This could potentially be 6 and 3. Cannot contain 4. And 1 is necessarily on this arrow. So, the issue with that then is this. Okay, so 1 is guaranteed to be on this arrow, so 1, 2 is ruled out. 2, 4 is ruled out because of 4 in the row. 4, 8 is ruled out because of 4 in the row, so this must be a 3, 6 pair. That eliminates 3 and 6 in the rest of the row, so this can't be 6, it's 7, that means it can't be 7, it's 6. It also eliminates 3 in the rest of the row, so this can't be 3. We now have a 1, 5 pair in this lower left-hand box, which eliminates 1 and 5 in the rest of the box, so this must be 3. So this is either 1, 2, 4 or 1, 2, 5, adding up to 7 or 8 because we don't have 3 or 6 available because of the 3, 6 pair in the box. So we have 1, 2, 4 or 1, 2, 5, which means 2 is guaranteed on one of these cells here. No more 2, no more 4 here because of 4 in the row. This cannot be 3 and 6 as a pair because of the 3, 6 pair in the row. So it could be 1, 2, 4, or 8. No 4 here, though, so 8 can't be here. This digit has to be the same as that. The digits along this arrow have to be 1 through 6. Because that's the highest digit you could have with adding up with 2 other digits to add up to a single digit. But there's no 3 or 6 here because of the 3, 6 pair in the row. Same with this. This must be 1 through 6 also, but it can't be... Actually, can we ever add up to 9 here? To add up to 9, you have 1, 2, 6, 1, 3, 5, or 2, 3, 4. But we have 3 and 6 already accounted for in this box. So this cannot ever add up to 9. So this is 1, 2, 4 as a triplet, adding up to 7. That means this can't be 7, it's 9. This can't be 9, it's 6. That's equal to 1, 2, and 3 added up together. And 2 here, it has to be in for this... Well, we have a 1, 2, 4 triplet in row 2. And this can't be 2 because to be in a 1 and 2 ratio without 6 or 8 here, you have to have 2 and 1 or 2 and 4. That eliminates 2 from the rest of the box, so this is 1, 3 as a pair. That eliminates 1, 3 in the rest of the box and row, so this is 2, 4 as a pair. This can't be 4 because of the 2, 4 pair in the column. This is 1, 2, 4 as a triplet. So where's the 1? It has to be one of those, so this cannot be 1 there. 4 eliminates 4 as a possibility here. Remaining digits in this upper left-hand box are 5 and 8. That leaves, this can't be 1 or 3 because of 1 or 3 in the row. The 1, 3 pair in the row, so that's 2, which leaves just 4 and 7 remaining in row 1. That eliminates 2 here and 4 here because of the 2, 4 pair. The 4, 7 pair and the 2 in the box. And this can't be 7. This must be at minimum 1, 5, and 3, which adds up to 9. So that's 9, and this is 1, 5, which makes that 3. Remaining digits in this box must be 6 and 8. Remaining digits of row 2 are 5 and 9. 6 eliminates 6 here, so this is 3 and 6. 3 eliminates 3 here, so this must be 1 and 5. Well, 1 and 5 and 2 at minimum add up to 8. And this can't be 7 then, so this is 8, which makes that 7. So this must be 1, 5, and 2 adding up to 8, and this must be 3, 4 adding up to 7 here. Remaining digits in this upper central box are 7 and 8. This can't be 7 because of 7 in the column. So this must be 8, which makes that 7. 8 eliminates 8 here, so that's 7. That's a sum of 1, 2, and 4, adding up to 7. Remaining digit in column 4 is a 9. 6 eliminates 6 here, so it's 9 and 6. 9 eliminates 9 here, so it's 5 and 9. 2 eliminates 2 here. We have remaining digits in this lower central box are 5 and 8. This can't be 5 because of 5 in the column, so that's 8 and that's 5. 5 eliminates 5 in the rest of the row, so no 5 here. It's 1, which eliminates 1 there, so it's 5. 1 eliminates 1 here, so it's 2, which makes that not 2, so it's 4 and 2. This can't be 2 or 4, so this must be 1, and this must be 4 because of the 2 in the box. 2 eliminates 2 in the rest of the column. This becomes a 4-8 pair, which eliminates 4-8 in the rest of the column. So no 8 there, it's 5, which means this can't be 5, it's 8. This can't be 4 because of 4 in the row. Remaining digits of column 3 we have 2, 6, and 7 available. No 6 here because of 6 in the row. No 2 here. No 7 here because of the digits in the row. 1 can't be here because of 1 in the row there. 8 eliminates 8 in the rest of the row, so this is 2, which makes that 8. 2 eliminates 2 in the rest of the row, so this is 4. That means this can't be 1 here. It's 2 or 8. Remaining digits of row 9 are 6 and 7. So this is a 6, 7 pair. Remaining digits of row 8 are 1, 2, 8, and 9. No 2 here because of 2 in the column. These 2 digits add up to this one. So what are the possibilities? You could have 1 and 2 adding up to 3. That is possible, as long as this is 1 and that's 2. 1, 3 could add up to 4, as long as that's 1 and that's 3. But this can't be 4 because of 4 in the column. Actually, 4 in the column eliminates 4 here, so it's 7 and 4. 1 and 4 could add up to 5, as long as this is not 4, so that could be 1 here. Oh, but if we have 1 and 4 adding up to 5, that would eliminate all possibilities for that cell. So we could have 2 and 3 adding up to 5, but we can't have this digit be 2 or 3, so that eliminates that possibility. So far we have 1, 2 adding up to 3 here. But that's not actually possible either. Because if you have 1, 2 adding up to 3 here, that would force this to be 5, but the 1 and 3 would eliminate 1 and 3 here, so that would also have to be 5. So that's not possible. So we can't add up to 3, we can't add up to 4, we can't add up to 5. We can't add up to 6, we can't add up to 7, this must add up to 8 then. 8 eliminates 8 here, so it's 6 and 8. This can be 1, 7, 2, 6. No 2, 6 here because of the 6 in the row. So 1, 7 is a possibility, or 3, 5, as long as this is not 3, so that's 5 and 3. Adding up to 8. 8 eliminates 8 in the rest of the column, so this is 2. No more 2 in this row, so this can't be 2, it's 1. No 1 here, it's 4. No 1 or 4 here, it's 2. 1 eliminates 1 here, so it's 3, which makes that 1. 3 eliminates 3 here, so it's 4, which makes that 3. 3 eliminates 3 here. 8 eliminates 8 in the rest of the row, so this is 4 and 8. Where is 2 available in row 4? It can only be here. So this is 2, which makes this 6, which makes that 7. Where is 7 available in row 4? It can only be on the arrow, so this must be a 1, 7 pair, adding up to 7. That eliminates 1 and 7 in the rest of the row. 1 also eliminates 1 here and 1 and 2 here. We have 8 2s in the grid, so this must be 2 there. 1 and 7 eliminate 1 and 7 here, so it's 5 and 1. This can't be 1 or 5 because of 1, 7 pair in the row, and the 5 in the row, so that's 3. This can't be 3 or 1, so that's 5, which makes that 1. And the rest is normal Sudoku. We have 7 digits in row 6 with 4 and 5 remaining. This can't be 4 because of 4 in the column, so that's 5, which makes that 4. Remaining digits in column 9, we have 1 and 3. This can't be 1 because of 1 in the row, so that's 3 and 1 there. 8 eliminates 8 here, so it's 9 and 8. Remaining digits of row 5, we have 6 and 9 remaining. This can't be 9 because of 9 in the column, so it's 6 and 9 there. 6 eliminates 6 here, so it's 7 and 6. 7 eliminates 7 there, so it's 1 and 7. 1 eliminates 1 here, so it's 5 and 1. Which leaves us a 5 remaining here and a 3 here. And that's the solution. Yep, pretty straightforward. Pretty restrictive because of the black cropky dots and what it does to other things in the rows and columns and boxes they are in. And then the arrows also are very restrictive, so. I don't know what else to say. It's pretty straightforward to me. Yeah, I just hope you enjoyed this episode of Learn How to Sudoku, and I'll see you next time on Frank Puzzles. Take care.